What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to add B-roll in CapCut. In CapCut, open one of your projects or create a new project. Once you are in your project, at the bottom you will see Overlay. Click that and then select Add Overlay. You can then choose the photo or video that you would like to add, then select Add, and then your video or photo will be added. So you can then trim your B-roll to your desired length and place it where you need it to be placed. You can also select the size so it can be within your video, or you can make it take up the full frame. You can also move your photo around. You can position it to where you'd like it to be positioned, and you can also change the size of it. I can also make it big and it will take up the full screen. So now when I play my video, my B-roll will be in place and then it will go back to my main video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.